So we're going to make a fruit fly trap. First thing you're going to need is a cup. We're going to use a disposable cup. We've got some apple cider vinegar. The other one's just cider vinegar in general. It doesn't really matter which one you use. We're going to pour about an inch or so into the bottle. After you've done that, we take the dish soap and we pour some of the dish soap into there, about a teaspoon. What we're going to do is we're going to put some saran wrap or shrink wrap on top of the cup, tape around the edge, and then poke some holes in. The holes can actually be quite large because once they go in, they're going to fly around, hit the vinegar, and then die. So that's not an issue, but we put that cover in there to make sure that they can't just fly right out accidentally. As you can see, I've got the saran wrap around it, some tape around the rim there, and then the holes that I had poked through. I actually use a Sharpie to poke these holes through. It's wide enough that they can go in, but these fruit flies are kind of dumb. They go in and they just go around the circle, and then eventually they hit the water and they die. So I'll move this back a bit. You know what, I'll pick the camera up and show you in part, just to see the results. They go straight to it. They love the smell or whatever it is. Fermentation, I guess. But I've got probably over 100 and they're dead. From the instant that we put this in, the numbers drastically decreased. It's very effective and not a big mess. There's some on the edge there, all dead. I actually had two more of these cups at work on the counter and the tables, and each one of them had just about this much, so it's very, very effective. And in a workplace environment, it's tough to get rid of the source because every day you have your lunch, and you know, an apple core in the garbage leads to fruit flies. So hope this video helps you guys out. Don't forget to share, comment, subscribe, and like that video. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed.